In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use connectors in Miro board. Connectors in Miro are the lines that link items like shapes, sticky notes, and cards. They are especially useful for flowcharts, process diagrams, and simple maps, where you want relationships to stay clear. The key benefit is that connectors stay attached to objects, even when you move things around on the board. That means your diagram stays organized as you edit. To get started, open Miro and go to a new board. Once your blank canvas is ready, look to the left toolbar and click on Shapes. This opens the Shapes menu where you can choose a basic shape like a rectangle, circle, or diamond. Select a shape and place it on the board by clicking where you want it to appear. If you want a clean layout, give yourself a little space around it so you have room to connect and expand your diagram. Next, create a second shape. Go back to the Shapes menu, choose another shape, and place it a short distance away from the first one. You can align them visually by dragging the shapes until they look even, which will make the final diagram easier to read. Now it is time to connect the two shapes. Click on the first shape so it is selected. You will notice small blue connection points on or near the edge of the shape. Click and drag from one of those blue points toward the second shape, then release when you reach the edge of the second shape. Miro will snap the connector into place and attach it to both objects. If you need to build a longer sequence, repeat the same idea. Click on Shapes again, place a third shape on the board, and then connect it to the shape before it. As you continue, remember that connectors will follow the shapes if you rearrange them, so it is safe to move items around to improve spacing. A quick tip for smoother work. After placing and connecting shapes, try dragging one shape to a new spot to confirm the connector stays attached. This helps you trust the layout before adding more items. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.